enshonga eretize ekitongole kya Western Uganda Faith Based Organization kurugayo n'omushomo gwokoreka n'okutangaza aha bintu ebibasa kubaho abantu bagumuza muno bashisha eby'obuhangwa ngo ahabw'okuba nibyo bikureta ihunga n'orubaro mu nsi
kakuba tutalinde eby'obuhangwa omukaire kano empinduka y'obwire mu maiso negenda kutuafectinga muno nojja kusanga tutaine amaizi g'okunywa tutaine obunyasi bw'ente zaitu n'embuzi zaitu nojja kwesanga emisiri yaitu neyoma nojja kusanga tugwerirwe enjala
okurijira hakuchondoza okwakozwe ekitongole eki hika rushanjo 5 ez'ebibira nizo zamazire kutemwa kandi otiriho n'obucweki 13 harigana bw'ebisharara ebikushishwa buri mwaka embera egi niyo tumisiriza abahangu mu by'embera y'obwire ekikura ky'abantu hamwe no kubarira oruzaro abari kwegitira omu kitongole kya 128 collective kuruga mu ihanga rya Amerika kuhiga eminyeeto ya Uganda ngu nibo bino okushomesa abantu mu by'obuhangwa no kurwana kutaho amateeka gari kubirinda.
But what we need in climate change education is more than most people think. We need to foster a mindset that is knowledgeable and flexible, because climate change will surprise us.
So what we need is help from Ugandan activists and advocates like yourselves to convince the US government to do the right thing, because we are the big polluters. We are the big oil and gas polluters that are causing climate change to happen.
Omubinde bitira uhamisho n'abana okutwarenda hamwe no kushwerwa abakiri bato aho noho bashabire Uganda obutitire bikore byerisho.
I was absolutely struck by your data today and the different perceptions of what was happening between men and women. We need all those voices at the table so that all the solutions can be found.
In terms of child marriage and teen pregnancy, I think it's important for all of us to think about what are the root causes of these issues. And wondering whether building a secondary school or having a youth corner in the health center is enough.
So even if there is an outreach post in Kyongera, you have said there is an outreach post in Kyongera, it implies that the health workers also don't do their part, especially on health education. So we've agreed with the VHTs that they will get some points.
Gasha kwa Daniel Bingana.